I may not be a car girl like Supercar Blondie, but I kind of grew up in my dad's car shop, and that's why cars will always have a very, very special place in my heart. Meet the Nissan GTR. This is the Godzilla. So this is what the cockpit of the GTR looks like. This is one of those Japanese supercars and you can see it. Now, what I really love about this car is that it has a bunch of gauges which give you information like boost, engine oil temp, fuel range, speed, all of this stuff. I mean, you may not need this and you may not know what to do with this kind of information. But isn't it the coolest to have it? It looks like one of those the controls and the little buttons here and there, and the overall look and feel of the cockpit is almost like that of the game NFS. This car is a complete freaking geek fest. A crazy car like the GTR deserves a look like that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Let the bus go. This is what you learn when you go to the track.
Yes, that's the road you got to learn.
And this is dying. He's scared. He's scared.
I just had my stomach come all the way up till my mouth. I never went back though.
Dude, this thing, the launch control, I want to do it at the racetrack. Hello! That's GTR! Amazing how smooth this car is, man. Honestly, I thought it would be really hard because whatever I read about it and stuff, I thought, sports setup, and it's almost like one of those now with your Klein exhaust and all. I was like, chalo, this is going to be one of those hard F1 car kind of scenes. No, yeah, where I'll go. Hey, thanks, you gave me the car to drive. How sweet you are. Seriously. This particular GTR is running the AMS Alpha 7 tune, which pulls the power to 700 horsepower from the original 565. It actually reads hand-built by Tetsushi Matsumoto. This is art. Okay, let me show you some magic now. Firstly, nobody likes their car getting hurt because of speed bumps or potholes, and well, let's be honest, our country is full of them. So, to beat that, we've got something really cool. Lift! Look at that! The car is actually lifting to a good height because this car is actually super low, and of course the owner doesn't want it getting hurt. Incredible. I would have liked to be able to do a lot more. But even this tester was great. I feel like a 90s disco ball right now. greatest features that I live for when I ride or drive is an exhaust. Now this is a K-Line Inconel exhaust. I'm not sure if it's pronounced K-Line or Klein. It's advanced, it's super light, and it sounds bomb. Please, can we listen to this? Oh my god.